Hello everyone and welcome to today's discussion. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape dominated by the giants like Google and Facebook, it's essential to examine the relevance of other advertising platforms, including the Microsoft Ads. Today, we will explore whether the Microsoft Ads, formerly known as the Bing Ads, remains a viable option for the advertisers in 2024. So let's delve into the intriguing question. Historical context. The Microsoft Ads, formerly known as the Bing Ads, has long been overshadowed by Google Ads in terms of the market share and the advertiser preference. However, it has carved out a niche for itself as an alternative search advertising platform with the unique features and a distinct audience base. Over the years, Microsoft has made significant investments in improving its advertising platform, enhancing targeting capabilities, and expanding its reach across various devices and the platform. In 2024, the Microsoft Ads continues to play a significant role in the digital advertising ecosystem, albeit with some notable developments. With the Microsoft acquisition of the LinkedIn and the integration of its advertising capabilities, Microsoft Ads has now offered the advertisers access to a vast professional network, enabling targeting advertising to business professionals and the decision makers. Generally, you will pay less per click on Microsoft Ads compared to Google Ads, especially for the competitive keywords. You will reach users who might not be on Google, the Bing users or the professionals using the Microsoft products. In terms of the unique features, utilize features like the audience insights, dynamic search ads, and the product ads for the e-commerce. Easy setup, import existing Google AdWords campaign with the minimal effort. Microsoft Ads is actively innovating and attracting more users. Smaller market share. The Google still reigns supreme in terms of the user base. In terms of the performance challenges, some users report inconsistent performance compared to Google AdWords. You might have less data for the optimization compared to Google AdWords. The Microsoft Ads boasts a range of the features and targeting options designed to help users reach their target audience effectively. These include advanced demographic targeting, device targeting, location targeting, and the audience targeting based on the search behavior and the user interest. Furthermore, Microsoft Ads offers the robust reporting and the analytics tool to track campaign performance and optimize the ad spend for the maximum ROI. Integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. One of the unique selling points of the Microsoft Ads is its essential integration with the broader Microsoft ecosystem, including Windows, Office, and the Xbox. This integration allows the advertisers to extend their reach beyond the traditional search advertising and engage with the users across multiple touchpoints from desktop to mobile devices to the gaming consoles. Looking ahead, the future of the Microsoft Ads appear promising with continued investment in the technology, partnerships, and the innovation. As digital advertising becomes increasingly competitive, advertisers are seeking alternative platforms to diversify their advertising strategy and reach the untapped audiences. With its unique features, audience reach, and the integration with the Microsoft ecosystem, the Microsoft Ads is well positioned to remain relevant in 2024 and beyond. So, is Microsoft Ads relevant in 2024? The answer is a resounding yes. While it may not command the same market share as the Google AdWords, the Microsoft Ads offer distinct advantages and the opportunities for the advertisers seeking to expand their reach, targeting specific audience segments, and optimize their budget. If you want to invest either in Microsoft Ads or the Google Ads or the Amazon Ads or the Facebook Ads, any other advertising platform, we at Softtrix are here to help you out in your journey. Do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.